We're having we had a wonderful breakfast here at Revgan, Kanakale, a resto facing Dardanelles Sea. Ganda. There's statue of a soldier here carrying another soldier. Parang Gallipoli. Gandang tourist destination. Alam mo, affordable yung Turkey. Because of yung currency nila nag-devalue talaga. Remember for this ako magtingin, no? Siguro 3 to 4 star na resto na breakfast. We spent yan mga more than an hour. Guess magkano binayad namin for breakfast? Only 500 lira. Complete set of 3 breakfast with juice na yan, saka tea. Nag-order pa ako ng additional juice. 500 lira. That's less than 900 pesos for that type of yung meals. So maganda yung, because of devalued yung lira, maganda yung opportunity for tourists here, no, to spend some vacation, affordable vacation. Like sa amin, do it yourself. Mas mura din yung rent a car dito. If you want in the small cars, you can rent by siguro 2,000 pesos per day. In pesos na yan. Although sa amin, we got mga 3,000 plus because tatlo kami, we need bigger space. Kung dalawa lang, affordable. Drive mo, ikot-ikot ka dito sa area. So what we observe dito sa city of Kanakale, medyo westernized, no? Westernized sila. Hindi ganun ka kita mo yung dress code. Do you see mga women na dress in black? Totally but very rare. We're walking back to our Airbnb. So what's your rating of the breakfast, Hannah? Good only? Not expensive, no? Grabe. Imagine, we had 500 lira, no, for full 3 breakfast, no? Yep. So na extra juice pa ako. Tapos with yung place, medyo social na place. Okay.